southeastern Johnson County in north-central Texas, southeastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, northwestern Ellis County in north-central Texas, western Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cross Timber, or near Burleson, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mansfield, Burleson, and Rendon around 12:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Arlington and Kennedale around 12:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Grand Prairie around 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Dallas around 12:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Irving around 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cockrell Hill around 12:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. University Park, Highland Park, and Dallas Love Field around 12:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Richardson around 12:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lillian, Lake Arlington, White Rock Lake, Joe Pool Lake, Mountain Creek Lake, Buckingham, River Oaks, Coyote Flats, Dalworthington Gardens, and Egan. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 25 and 44. Interstate 35E between mile markers 413 and 445. Interstate 20 between mile markers 438 and 471. The current time. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for central McLennan County and central Texas, southeastern Bosque County and central Texas, south central Hill County, Texas, until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Crawford, or near McGregor, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Waco around 12:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Waco around 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Rock Creek, Extell, Golson, Willow Grove, Elmont, Tours, Wiggins, Ross, Leroy, and China Spring. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 335 and 352. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are out in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth.